Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Gigabyte 12GB version of GeForce RTX 3080 with WINDFORCE 3X cooler. So friend, Gigabyte's 12GB GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, the GV-N3080 OC-12GD will be made available and feature a WINDFORCE 3X cooler. And friend, the WINDFORCE 3X cooler features original blade fan with a graphene nano-lubricant that has the same durability as double ball bearing, a massive copper heatsink, and a composite heat pipe that efficiently transfers GPU heat and utilizes the proprietary technologies. And friend, additionally, it features a dual BIOS that allows for switching between overclocking and silent mode, metal backplate that prevents the board from distorting, and illumination system called RGB FUSION 2.0 that can be synced with AORUS devices. And friend, the primary specifications are 8960 CUDA cores, boost clock of 1755 MHz, 384-bit memory burst with a memory speed of 19 Gbps, memory bandwidth of 912 GB per second, GDDR6X memory, and friend HDMI 2.1x2, DisplayPort 1.4a x 3. Stimulus outputs for 4 screens are supported, and friend PCI Express 4.0 x 16 is the burst interface, while the auxiliary power connector is an 8-pin x 2 connector. And friend, 320 mm in length, 129 mm in breadth, and 55 mm in thickness are the external dimensions. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the accepted price is 1700 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.